Hi, my name is Alex Belmar, and today I'm going to show you how I was able to do this beautiful brochure right here in Word, Microsoft Word. So first of all, I changed the background color. So here, if you want to go to Design, click on that, and then Page Color, and then you can choose whichever color you want. I chose dark gray. I then changed the page borders. So once I click, there's a pop-up. You can change the style, color, width. I chose a pretty thick red border, and then you can see a sample of what you would get with these features. So I click OK to apply it. What I did next was I changed the layout. So if you go to layout option right here and you click on the little arrow, adjust margins, here you can see you have many options of margins. So what I chose was narrow, so it's 0.5 everywhere. As you can see in the horizontal ruler and vertical. What's most important is the horizontal because it can change the location of your text. Example, if I were to click uh, right in front of since, right here in this text box, and I were to uh, move the top rectangle. See, once I move it, the since follows. I then um, I then added the title, which is most important when creating a brochure, right? So what I wanted was go at home. I clicked in the center of my page. I chose the center alignment because I wanted in the center. I then chose the font style I wanted, which is Century Gothic. If you click on the little arrow, you have many options. And then if you click on the box right next to it, it's going to offer you very different, like many different font sizes. What I chose was font size 24. It's pretty big. It's pretty, you know, highlighted. What I did next was I changed the text color. As you can see, I changed a lot of the text color. For the title, um, I put it in white. So here you can go to the little square font color, the arrow, and here once more you can see that there are many options. I chose the white one as you can see. And for the text, I did the same thing, but a different color. And then for the links right here, as you can see, I chose a dark red. Then I added some pictures. Now, if you already have a web page that you have the pictures you want, you can go ahead. So here I'm going to go to the websites I chose. So as you can see, I have 3 websites, and you can choose any picture you want. See, you can choose this one. You can right-click, copy, then go back to your document and paste it. Now, in order to have that little blurry option right here on your picture, what I did was I clicked on the picture, went to picture format, and I chose the, as you can see, picture styles. You can click on the soft edge rectangle or another option with like a little shadow or a reflection. Now I chose the blurry one. I think it's actually pretty cute. So now, oh yes, if you want to change your image size, that's completely fine. So once you click on your image, there are little white dots. So you can go ahead, double click on it, and then move. See? Smaller, bigger. What you can also do is put a link on a picture. So what I did, I used the links of the websites I got the pictures from, and I right clicked on the picture, And here you can see I already have a link, so I can't put a link. But you can click on link and copy paste the link you want your image to have. I did the same thing for this text. For this link, I just copied the link and added it. I then did the same thing for the pictures. So this one has one, this one has one as well. I then added some smart art because art is fun. It's smart art. You have many options. To insert smart art, you have to go to insert and then you can see smart art right here. So I already did this. But once you have your smart art design, you can click on your smart art right here and you can choose the different types of styles you want. So I chose this style. It's pretty cool. You can write in it. It's actually pretty fun. I also forgot to mention how to wrap the text around your image. So what I did, I clicked on the image. Yes, the image. And as you can see, once I click on it, there's this little square with the rainbow layout option. So you click on that, and here you can see the layout option. So what I put in the dark square, I put the square text wrapping. This just means that the text can go around it, not behind it or in. And if ever you want to search a word in your text that you want to change, you can always go to the home menu in the replace option. So here there's a pop-up, find what text. So here if I want to change this and replace with the new improved text, the one you want, and then all you have to do is click replace. Now I'm not going to do that because I actually like my title. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on cancel. But if you do click on replace, it's going to automatically change to the new. Let's not forget that I did not write, I only inserted text boxes. So what I did was I clicked on insert, and here you can see text box, and hold on, yes, text box, and then it's going to give you many options of different text boxes. And what I did, I chose simple text box. With this simple text box, you can, which is the text box I used, you can actually change the shape format. So here you can see you can change the shape fill, the background color of the text box, and you can also change the outline, which is actually pretty cool. But if you ever want your text box to have the same background color and outline color as your page color, then all you can do is click on the no fill option, which is exactly what I did for both. See here, no fill for the shape fill and no outline for the. Now for the mail merge, I won't be using this brochure. Instead, I'll be using one of my other projects that I already have done mail merge. So let's start with the labels. So in order to start to create a label, we first have to select your list of recipients. So you go to select recipients and you click on use an existing list. Since I already have an existing list, since I already have a list saved up, once you click on this, your PC document app will open and you'll have to choose a saved up Excel spreadsheet. Here's an example of what I use as a spreadsheet. So I already have this saved up in Microsoft Word. Now that you have your recipients selected, you will want to click on labels right here. There's the pop-up, and now for the address, for the recipient's address, you'll want to enter the address, the city, province, and postal code, and then click on New Document. However, I won't click on New Document because this document is already the new document. So I'll click on cancel. Now that you have your label, you'll want to insert the first name, the last name, the company name. However, it's not going to create a name, not like Tom or Ilona. It's just going to come up as first name, last name. But if you want to get a list of all the recipients, you get on ABC preview results. And here you see first name, last name, address. Second, first name, last name, address, so on and so forth. And when we click on finish and merge, all 9 recipients, as you can see, the total is 9. All 9 recipients will have their own proper labels. Same thing goes for the envelopes. You can click on envelopes, first name, last name, address, city, province, postal. That's the delivery address. For the return address, you mark your own address, return address. And then you say change document. I'm not going to do that because my document has already been changed. As you can see, first name, last name, address, city, province, postal. When I click on ABC results, it's going to give me the list of recipients that I chose, the spreadsheet right here. So Tom, Louisa, Eleanor, Dudash, so on and so forth. Once again, just like in labels, if I click on finish and merge, all 9 envelopes will have their own proper name. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed.